I'm Adam Tranchida, and current role is training supervisor. My first role at G&W Electric started as an assembler. We saw the need for more growth, and that allowed me to take the role of supervisor, but the rest of my team, it provided them some opportunities as well. I think as they saw the commitment from the company, right, it's motivating us to do more and see what we can do with this unique opportunity. For me, I think the best thing about working in a manufacturing environment is the fast-paced nature. Obviously, that's a give and take, right? There are days where we might appreciate it being a little slower, but I've always been one that would rather be busy, than not. And the challenges are good, right? They never run out. And so there's always something else for you to do or tackle or a new angle for you to try here. With the support and the tools and the foundations that we have here, there's, you can get up to speed pretty quickly, and then there's a world of an opportunity for you there. So never a dull moment, right? It's good, and you get to work with a lot of good people. I'm proud to work here because of the team, that we have, and the teams that we have, right? There's lots of little teams and lots of big teams, but we always have that camaraderie, I feel like, and even when working cross-functionally, it's, we focus on the same end of the rope, right? We're all pulling for our ultimate customer, and we come together and get stuff done. The cool customers that we have are really neat. When you see stuff going in Oxford and that kind of stuff, like it's really neat, but just knowing every time we have a storm, right, and my lights don't go off, I'm like, hey, we do things that matter, they're essential for everybody, and not every job offers that. Lots of opportunities here, so you get your foot in the door, and hard work pays off. People notice it, and be open to new things. If you're honest with yourself and where you can grow, that opens the door to a lot of things, and G&W certainly supports that. I think that's one of the best things we have, are all these extra training opportunities and extracurriculars that are available to all employees. And if you want it, it's there, right? It's waiting for you to grab it, give it your best shot, and see what happens,